To cash out stocks on Robinhood, start by selling your desired stocks. Open the Robinhood app, log into your account, and click on the search icon to find the specific stock you want to sell. Once you've found it, tap on it and click the button at the bottom of the screen. Then select Sell from the options. Enter the number of shares you want to sell and click Review. After selling your stocks, wait for the sale to complete. Stocks sold during market hours typically settle in 2 business days, although you can use the proceeds to buy other stocks immediately. Withdrawing cash requires settlement. Once the waiting period is over, you can withdraw your cash by going to the accounts or profile icon at the bottom of the screen, clicking on the 3-line menu at the top, and selecting Transfers. From there, click on Transfer Money. Enter the amount you want to transfer. Select your bank account, and click Review. Finally, choose your transfer speed. You can opt to receive your money instantly or wait, and click Transfer. That's how you can cash out your stocks on Robinhood.